Hey everybody, Alex with Stop on Yellow RVing. Today we've got the all-new 2026 Tab 360 CSS. This is the clamshell version of the Tab 360. This just came out from nuCamp. So you got the clamshell with the galley kitchen off the back here. Such a cool setup and cool layout. Let's pan around this thing all the way and we'll get a better look at the inside of it too. So you got the ridge graphic on the side. This is the white exterior wall. Then you do have the white top wall too. Got your nice storage tub right on the front. Then this also has the boondock package on it. So that's your whole storage tub right there. And then you've got your 20-pound propane bottle, manual tongue jack on the front of it with the wheel. And then this does have the Black Canyon package as well. So you have the 290-watt solar panels, which you can see up on the roof there. And then you do have all these dual pane acrylic fiberglass windows all the way around it. Looks like you got a quick connect for propane right down there. And then checking out your kitchen area, you got your slide out Camco cooler here, countertop here. And you got outlets, 12-volt plug, and also USB and USB-C there. Nice storage racks in your back kitchen here. So there's an accent light back here too. Wow. Very nice looking. So good storage, decent size, little shelves, cubbies up here. And you got a spot to hang your utensils. Sink that's plumbed right into your gray water tank. And you got storage down here too. 2-burner cooktop. And then also take a look at some of the specs there. It looks like this is coming in at 18 feet 2 inches overall. And then your dry weight's 3,023 pounds. So it's a nice lightweight unit, towable by a lot of different SUVs. And then if you want to pause it so you can see what's in these different packages here, it's got the base package and the convenience package. And this is also the Black Canyon upgrade. Looks like they didn't opt for the microwave on this one, but your microwave would replace one of these storage cabinets. I think this one right here is where it would go. But you can do a little storage cabinet instead. You got a couple little drawers out here. Yeah, cool little unit made by nuCamp out of Sugar Creek, Ohio. They also make the Tab 360 that has the kitchen on the inside. Then we'll get a pan through here. This is their twin bed style setup. And then storage over here on your left when you first walk in. And storage up top too, as well as another storage cubby here. Lots of storage in a smaller unit. You got your dual pane acrylic window here. Lots of windows in here, so you can get a nice cross breeze going. Windows on all sides. And you also have vent fan right in here. So that's intake and exhaust. And then you got your dinette, which does make into your secondary sleeping area. So bring that up. That'll drop down. So you got your sleeping space. And then even some little storage cubbies right back here too. Storage here as well. And then your converter box down there. So that'll be fuses and breakers. And then outlets right next to your bed there. And then over here is your main sleeping space. And then you do have another little storage cubby. More storage up top. And storage right here. This is also equipped with air conditioning, and it's also got the all-day on-demand heat and hot water system too, which is pretty cool. You got your Jensen stereo right there. Another storage drawer. Looks like you got your speakers sitting up under these cabinets here. So you got speakers there and speakers over there too. And then AC is going to come through that duct there. And then there's a couple other ducts around here. On your front side here, you got a little cabinet So you got lots of storage down here below. Slide out drawer. Another slide out drawer here. Let's close that up. And then looks like you got access to your lithium battery right here and your charge controller for your solar. Storage. And more storage. Over here, got a good size fridge to it. So, good fridge for a small little 18-foot unit like this. Even got the little freezer box there. If you guys are liking this nuCamp, please like and subscribe. And then, not last but not least, is your bathroom here. So you do have your toilet, and then your sink in here, and then your sink faucet does clip right into that bracket right up there. So you do have the shower capability. You also have a little mirror in here, and also an AC duct that runs in here too. That's pretty cool. And then also, this is part of your Aldi heat system right down there. And then your toilet paper holder. And then you also got a little TV on a swing out mount in here. Such a cool little unit. Lots of headspace in here. So I can fully walk through this entire coach. And I stand just about 6 feet tall. So you've got plenty of headspace in here, especially compared to the 320. If you don't want something quite as big as the 400. Over here, USBs, outlets. This turns on and off your underglow lights, which is part of your Black Canyon. And then this is how you work your Aldi system there. So you can turn on your heat and hot water system. And then for your lights, water pump, and then tank checks. We'll come back out on the outside. I'll do another little pan around. Such a cool style unit. Very high quality. It's all hardwood cabinetry in it. Coming around to the side here. This may be locked, but this is where your cassette is for your cassette toilet. Yep, so you got your little 4.5 gallon bucket that pops right out there. So that's for your toilet water. And then with the Boondock package, you're going to have these aggressive off-road tires to them with the better ground clearance. Your offshoot's going to be right down here for your gray water tank. 30 amp power cord hookup. And then this will be your Nautilus system and outside shower right there. So, and then also your tank heaters, which is part of your Black Canyon package. You can turn those on right there too. And this is all inside of an insulated baggage door. And then a little solar on the side port if you do want to set up some more solar on here. If you are doing a lot of boondocking. So that's a good overview of the nuCamp Tab 320 or 360 CSS. Such a cool unit, especially with this galley kitchen on the back. They've been planning on this one for a little while now, and this is the first one that I've seen. And if you guys like my review, please like, subscribe, and comment. I've got more 2026 content coming out. Once again, it's Alex. Stop on Yellow RVing. Thank you for checking out the nuCamp Tab with me.